Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
Previously on Bad Boys.
Tell me who the hell you are and why do I see you around these parts of school?
You should be scared, Palmer. I know everything about you. We've been watching you. Sarah's been watching you.
What gang are you a part of and how do you know my wife? She's dead.
The whole school may think she's dead, but really, she...
God damn it, tell me!
You're gonna have to find out after the intro.
Bad boys, what you want, what you want, what you gonna do when Sherry John Brown come for you? Tell me what you wanna do, what you gonna do? Yeah, bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? When you were 8 and you had bad traits, you go to school and learn the golden rule. So why are you acting like a bloody fool? If you get hot, then you must get cool. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? You chuck it on that one, you chuck it on this one, you chuck it on your mother and you chuck it on your father, you chuck it on your brother and you chuck it on your sister, you chuck it on that one and you chuck it on me. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do?
Okay guys, we're in full focus mode. The cops department has been slow lately. We'll find a way to get it together. Palmer, any news for today?
I have recent reports of a secretive gang changing people's grades for money. They're called the Skull.
My God! We need to find these hackers, destroy them! Good.
Damn it, you're right.
I might know a guy who has a connection to Skull. His name is Victor Salazar.
Hey! Let's get Victor Salazar!
You're under arrest for hacking students' grades!
Look, man, I'm not part of the school. You know how hard it is to get good grades in high school?
Shut up! You're a liar and a cheater. Who's your leader?
Look. Okay, look, troops. I'll tell you who the leader is. Her name is...
Cole, Owen, my office, now! That's it. I've had enough. Y'all, the reputation of our school has gotten worse and worse, and the Skull has been hacking in for weeks, and we've made no headway. We need to leave this up to the real cops.
We're not giving up on this case, Miss Marshall. We know that the police, school system has gone to crap. But we can't forget about this case.
Give us one more chance, Miss Marshall. We will destroy the Skull for good.
Please.
Has to be done by Wednesday, y'all, or this is shut down.
Damn it! Can't find anyone in the system. I need a coffee break.
Hi, yeah. Can I get a medium biscuit sub and wheat, please?
Oh, no, it's no problem here. No, like my grandma always said, you gotta be nice to other people.
Oh, of course. So here,
Oh my God. Oh my God. You're a member of the Skull.
you'll never take me alive!
You're under arrest. Officer Cole. You're under arrest.
You may have me, but you will never defeat the Skull.
What?
You will never defeat the Skull!
Oh, what the hell is going on here? Molly, thank God you're here. I captured someone from the Skull. Untie me.
I know you did. Good job, Chief, but I think I'm gonna leave you strapped.
Why? Are you a member of the Skull?
Not quite. I'm their leader.
Molly, how could you do this? You had so much potential.
Ha! I hate this school and I hate the cops department even more.
Why'd you join?
Because then I can infiltrate and destroy the school. With all the cops gone, everyone will finally live in fear. The school will rise up. We helped students, Cole, more than the cops ever did.
Shut up, Molly. You're just a cheater. You cheat your way through school. Where's Owen?
I sent him on another case. It's just you and me.
Not so fast!
Oh shit, my plans have been foiled.
Cole, I'd never leave you.
Pull through.
Yeah. Let's go.
Good job, Palmer. Looks like we got Molly, figured out who was running the school. Looks like this case has been hacked down.
Meet the new boss, same as the old boss.
Is this amateur hour?
Yes.
Honestly, Cole's the best actor here.
Okay, so
You haven't seen me. And you, too. You're amazing.
haven't seen me out yet.
Okay, okay.
Go! Oh my.
Sure got stuff.
God, my nipples are getting hard.
Okay, 3.
Guys,
Sarah and I have a long
Meet the new boss, same as the old boss.
3, 2, 1.
You're under arrest, Officer Billy.
You underestimate my power.
Billy, you're like a brother to me. How could you do this? I hate you. I hate you. Let's go. Let's go.
3, 3. Come on.
Get in here, Victor.
Bum 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 bum.